Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and welcome to my messy bench. This is my work bench.
Used to be our kitchen.
Yeah, it used to be our kitchen. I am trying to catch up. Whatever this is, this illness, it is not letting go of me. It gets worse, it gets better, it gets worse. But I'm working when I can. I have a box I need to open on camera. As I always say, when you order anything, open it on camera. I bought this doll, well, mostly because I've been, gosh, what, Darren, year and a half or more? I've been wanting this celery colored hair on a Blythe doll. And the Blythe Con said, you know, their theme was doll with green hair. I about decided I'm not taking her, but I don't know. Oh, that's a little different than I thought. Oh, look at that beautiful hair. Ooh, it needs a spa, though. Ooh, that needs a spa. You don't normally have that from AliExpress dolls. Her knees were bent. That's why I wanted to check them. Let's see what color her eyes are and make sure her mechanism is working. Oh, yeah. Oh, I've got some chips for you, my dear. Isn't she beautiful? And they also come with the hands. So I wanted to open her on camera, and then I wanted to tell you about a couple things coming up. One, I am doing a collab at the end of May. I already have like 3 or 4 people that are interested. This is for a 14-inch doll, which is your Welly Wishes, your Glitty Girls, or your 14-inch Disney dolls. Now, will the pattern fit them all? Honest to God, I haven't used this before, so as you make this, check it on your doll. We're all going to make this outfit. And I have, thank God, and Darren, I have several of these patterns to offer, and I will mail these out to you so you can join us. I have 2, if I run out of that one, I have 2 that is the same pattern, only different. And all you have to do is make this into capris. So I have these. Leave it in the comments if you are interested, and I will get in touch with you, and we will talk about it. I wanted to show you this. This is a big brag. My husband is a genius. He has been working on all sorts of different custom neck joints. I love this. Oh my God. I just finished this doll. She doesn't even have beads. I probably would sell this doll, but oh, I want to keep her. Look at this hair. Oh my God, look at this hair. I absolutely love her. But it's the neck joints that I love. We also have more exciting news about our customs coming up. But I just wanted to show you this. Just finished her. I love her. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a comment, especially if you want to participate in the 14-inch doll pattern collab. And please subscribe.